Mew and Meow were busy playing in an old box when they saw something very strange. It was round and yellow, and it was making a buzzing sound. Out buzzed a big stripy bee. Go and say hello, said Meow. The bee might sting, said Mew. No, it won't. Off you go. Mew went to take a closer look. Where did that bee go? The bee was collecting pollen to make honey. Do you want to play? Asked Mew. The bees looked cross, and Mew didn't like that at all. Meow, they started buzzing at me. You go and talk to them. So Meow went to have a look. The bees were still buzzing in their hive. Hello? Called Meow. Are you coming out to play? The bee was much too busy to play, and it stung him right on his bottom. Mew and Meow decided to watch from a distance. The bees collected pollen from the flowers nearby. They visited pink flowers and white flowers and yellow flowers and blue flowers. Mew and Meow thought they looked very busy. Oh dear, said the bees at last. What's wrong? Asked Mew. There's no more pollen left. We can't make any more honey. I wish we could help, said Meow. I've got an idea, said Mew, and she went to fetch a huge flower pot full of flowers. The bees were very pleased, and the queen bee came to say thank you. Now they could make as much honey as they liked.
Yeah.